linear equation and rational number has been completed in the batch. Yeah. Is my voice reaching perfectly to you guys or not? I'm audible now. There's no glitch in my voice. Hello.
Sir, you're audible.
Okay, I'm audible. Okay. Please shut down your mic while I'm speaking. Okay. Like the voice is coming from your side also, and it's disturbing the class. Anyway, so let's continue with the chapter factorization. And Arham, the chapter that are remaining in science, or will you be able to cover that from the recording of the chapter, or would you like to have backup classes?
Sir, in the recording of chapter, I can't understand much.
Okay. So you'd like to have backup classes for those chapters, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay then. Okay, then I will discuss that with the team and it will be scheduled then. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, then let's continue. So far, the things which we have discussed in the chapter is we were talking about factorization. And simply factorization is what? Whenever a number is broken down, right now, whenever a
Yes, sir.
number is broken down in the form of its factors. Okay. For example, 24 equals to 3 into 8, 12 into 2, right? These are its factor 3, 8, 12, 2, 1, 1, 24. These are the factors of 24. And whenever
Yes, sir.
you break the number in the form of its prime factors like 2, 2, and 3 here, so that is called the prime factor form of the number. Similarly, we have algebraic expressions. So in the case of algebraic expressions, you see the factors of algebraic expressions could be numbers, it could be variables and expressions, right now.
Yes, sir.
So we also talked about Arham and Arhan how to do the factorization for algebraic expressions. One was the method of common factors, right? And
Yes,
then
sir.
another method was of what? Of regrouping the terms. So we have solved questions on both the methods. Getting it now? I guess you were not present, Arham, when we were discussing about the second method.
Yes, I was. On the first method, I was present.
You were present only in the first class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arhan, so it's up to you. Quickly define how do you solve questions when using the method of common factors. Arhan, define it. How do you solve the question like this? Okay, I'm giving you a question then. Then it will be better. Okay, Arhan, solve the question number 3 using the common method, common factor method. Arhan, are you there or not? Arham, is Arhan in the class or not?
Sir, he is there.
Yes.
Sir, he is there in the class.
Yeah, he's there, but his voice is not reaching me properly. Anyways, Arham, do you know the common factor method? We discussed that in the class. Were you
Sir,
present?
no, sir. But
Mm-hmm.
if you just do one question, then I will know because I've
Mm-hmm.
done this in
You
earlier
have done this, no?
classes.
In earlier
No.
classes, you have done this.
Yes, sir. When 6, 7.
Okay, okay, good then. Then we can move to the next method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's quickly see that as well. So next was the factorization by the regrouping of the terms. So in regrouping, what was being done now? For example, see this question: PQ square minus QN square minus PQ plus N square. So in
Yes,
order
sir.
to do the factorization of this expression, what you will be doing, you will be collecting the like terms. For
Yes,
example,
sir.
PQ square and PQ are like terms because both of them have got same variables. Okay,
Yes, sir.
no need to consider the power of the variables. It could be square, it could be cube, it could be raised to the power 4 or 5 or 6, anything. What you need to see, you have to check whether the terms have same variables or not. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, q n square and n square or can also be grouped together here because they have got n square common in them.
Yes,
So
sir.
you will be making groups of the terms. So pq square and pq, we have taken them as common here. We have taken them under one bracket. All right. So
Yes, sir.
whatever was left, you took them in the next bracket, n square and qn square. Got it now? Then
Yes,
you
sir.
will be taking common. So pq is common in both pq square and pq. Getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can take common out of it. So q minus 1 will be left in the bracket. Then in the second group, what is the common in both of the terms, n square and qn square?
N square.
N square is common. So we will take n square out of the bracket. So 1 will be left here and
So
q
how
will be left here.
one will be left?
How 1 will be left? Okay, good question. So yeah. So if you have taken, if this is the term inside the brackets, n square and qn square, both of them have got common n square right now.
Yes, sir.
So in order to take them outside of the bracket, what you can do now, you can divide it with n square and you can multiply it with n square.
Yes,
Getting
sir.
it now? So if
Yeah.
you were to divide it with n square and multiply it with what you will be left, n square upon n square minus qn
Yeah.
square upon n square, and
Yes.
outside you will simply write n square.
N
Getting it now?
square.
So
Yeah.
n square gets cancelled, n square gets cancelled here as well. So here you are left with one only now, 1 minus q,
Yes, sir.
and outside of the bracket is n square. So whenever you guys have to take a common term, so you can simply multiply the equation and divide the expression with the same term. That's the
Yes,
method
sir.
of getting the common term. Arhan,
Yeah.
please do say something. Are you present in the class or not? Your voice is not reaching to me. Arham, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then we solve few questions also based on these, right? Okay. So like look here. You have terms like x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So these questions can be solved very easily. And we in fact solved them. So we made two groups, this one group and this one group, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this one, 8 is common here,
Yeah.
and here x is common. So we took x common out of it, x plus y. And here we took 8 common, right now. So it will
Yes,
again
sir.
be x plus y. So what you will do, you will segregate the terms and then write them. So
Yeah.
x plus y is common here now.
Yes, sir.
So remember in the beginning, I told you like you take the common term. X plus y
Yeah.
is common here. So you take the
Yes, sir.
common term and you write whatever is left. So what is left? X plus 8 is left here. X and
8.
8 is left here. So you
Yes, sir.
write them right like this. So this is how you do factorization using the grouping method.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So we will be moving ahead, but let's solve few more questions. Question number
Yeah.
4. Solve this one. Arhan
Yes,
is
sir.
in the class or not? He has joined?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, now I'm traveling here, so that's why I'm not able to join from my laptop right now. That's why I can't see who's joining and leaving the class. Okay, so sorry for the inconvenience. So question number 4, solve this one, and question number 5. Arhan, this question is to you also. Question number 4 and 5, solve these two questions using the regrouping method. Arhan, your
So,
voice, no, it's not reaching properly to me. Like it's uh
Sir, I'm audible.
yeah, now better. It's better. Yes, Arham, you were saying something.
so in the fourth question, we will take 15 PQ and
Mm-hmm.
9Q and 25 P as common.
No, here no, you have to make two groups, 15PQ, 15, 9Q, and 25P. As you can see here, no, you have to
Yes, sir.
use your brain and you have to take make two groups in such a way that common things are there in the two terms. For example, 15PQ and QQ. Okay, is
Yes,
there
sir.
something common between the two?
So Q, sir.
Like right now, so
Yeah.
you can't take the terms like you see 9q and 25p can't be taken together. Why?
No, sir.
Because they have got nothing in common
Yeah.
right now. Yes, Arhan.
Yes, sir.
So 9q is what? 3 into 3 into Q. And Arham, you see 25P is what? 5 into 5 into P. They have got
5.
nothing common in them right now.
Yes, sir.
So you have to find terms which have got at least something common in them and then make the groups. And
Yeah.
Arhan, please do tell me you have solved the questions, the assignment. Have you solved the assignment? Arhan, have you solved the assignment? Done the assignment or not? Yeah, you are not audible properly. Anyways, I can't hear you properly. Just solve the question number 4 and 5. And once you are done, do tell me the answer. After we are done with this, today we will be talking about what? We will be talking about division of monomials by monomials and polynomial by monomial, how division is done. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to solve the questions. But uh,
Mm-hmm.
I just like did something. I got 15P bracket bracket starts Q plus 9Q.
Q plus 9Q.
Yes, a bracket
Oh,
close plus 15 plus 25P
plus 15,
plus 25P.
25P. No, that is not the correct format of the answer. What about you, Arhan? Yes, Arhan. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Arhan, I'm listening. Your voice, no, it's like vibrating. It's not coming properly. Anyways, let's solve this then. Look, if you guys were to look here at 15PQ and this 9Q, do they have common terms here? Q
Yes,
and
sir,
Q
Q.
here, right? You can take 3Q common in both of them like this. See this 15PQ, Arhan and Arham, look at this 15Q and 9Q. So it's 3 times 5 multiplied P into Q. And then this 9Q here is 3 multiplied 3 into Q. What do they have common? Q here is common in both of them. And this 3.
Yes, sir.
So 3Q is common.
Sir,
Right
am I
now?
audible now?
Yeah, right now, now you're audible. Better, it's better.
Sir, I've got the answer to the fourth one.
To the fourth one, what is the answer which you have got?
So it's 5p plus 3 multiplied by 3q plus 5.
3Q plus 5. Okay, let's see. So here you have got 3Q as common here. So what we actually did, we grouped together 15PQ and 9Q as together. Getting it now, guys? And the
Yes, sir.
rest you will be writing it as 15 plus 25P. Okay, so here in the two terms, what is the term we are getting common? 3Q,
3Q.
right?
Yes, sir.
So you will be left with 5P plus and plus 3 here. So I can see your answer is correct here, Arhan. And in 15p and 25p, what is the common which you will be getting? Yes, simply factorize them, no? 3 into
3
5.
into 5.
Yeah, 25p will be 5 into 5 into p. So 5 is common here, right now? So 5 you will be taking common in both of them in 15 and 25p. So it's 3 plus what? 5p, right? Getting it now? So
Yes, sir.
5p plus 3 and 5p plus 3 here, right? So 3
Yeah.
cube plus 5 will be written here and multiplied with 5p plus 3. Well done, Arhan. That is correct. Okay. So this is how now,
Sir, I
Arhan.
want the answer to the fifth one.
Okay, very good. What is the answer?
So it's z minus 7 multiplied by 1 minus xy.
1 minus xy. Okay, let's solve that one as well. So did you guys got the answer of the first one, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
how you have to solve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move on to the next one, the fifth one. So here, how should we group the terms here? Yes, see for the common. Which terms are common here?
So 7xy and minus xyz.
Yes, Arhan. In that you will be taking as common as what? Xy will be common here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you will be left with no option but to leave z minus 7 as it is. Here you will be taking it as what? Xy is common, right?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
guys, we can do one more thing. Now look here. This 7 and this 7xy, they have got one thing in common them in common.
Yes, sir.
Like
7.
one, that is 7 is common both of them, and z and xyz can also be grouped together.
Yes.
So let's
Yes,
do it in that way, right now.
yes, sir.
Okay. So you will be grouping z minus xyz together, and then it will be
Minus
7xy
xy.
minus 7, right? So z into 1 minus xy, and then 7 into xy minus 1, right now?
Yes,
Yes,
Now
sir.
here's the thing. Here you are seeing that it's 1 minus xy and it's xy minus 1. So what needs to be done here? In order to make it 1 minus xy, you have to
sir.
bring a
Additive
minus sign over
inverse.
here. Additive inverse has to be done, right now?
Yes, sir.
If you guys remember, like if the term is like this, let's say plus 2 into a minus b, and I need to actually write it in this form, plus 2 into b minus a. So what will I do now? I will convert this sign into minus here, and the term will be b minus a. Getting it now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So it will be z into 1 minus xy right now. So it will be minus 7 then. Earlier the sign was not here, okay? So it will be 1 minus xy now, right? So you are left with z minus 7. And what is common, Arham? 1 minus xy is common, right?
yes. 1 minus
So
xy.
1 minus xy that you have to write over. So this is the way you have to solve using the regrouping method. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, Arhan. And Arham as well. Okay. Further, in the previous class, we also talked about factorization using identities. Guys, quickly tell me what were the 3 identities you guys had studied about them in algebraic expression as well. Okay. Arham, you tell me about at least one identity which you have studied in algebraic expressions.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah.
So it is a plus
Hmm.
in the a plus b in the
Hmm.
bracket
Hmm.
equals to x square a square.
You forgot the square sign here.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
A
A
square
square
plus
plus
b square.
plus b square. Good. Okay. Arhan, you tell me the next 2 identities which you
So
studied.
it's a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Plus b square. And one more.
So it's a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus.
A plus b into a minus. Very good. Okay. Okay, later on, Arham, you also have to memorize this. All right,
Yes, sir.
good then. So we solved some questions on them as well. Getting it now? Now in today's
Yes, sir.
class now, let me just give you a glimpse of it, like how to solve using the identity method. Right. For example, this is one of the expression you have to solve it using the identity. So we saw that x square here and this term 2x minus 1 whole square, are they not in the form of a and b? We can say that they are in the form of a
Yes,
and
sir.
b right now, and
Yes,
Yeah.
it's
sir.
of the form a square minus b square here. So for a
Yes, sir.
square and b square, this is the required formula, a plus b into a minus b. Getting it now?
Yeah.
So that's what we did here, x plus 2x minus 1, then x minus 2x minus means a minus b here. So that is x minus 2x minus 1, that is x minus 2x minus plus here, right? Getting it now?
Yeah.
So it was x minus 2x plus 1, right? So we got 3x minus 1 into minus x plus 1 here, right now. So we
Yeah.
reverse this one as well. Okay, using the additive inverse.
Yeah.
Got it now? So you got actually what here? 3x minus 1, and then here it was minus x. It can be written like this, no need to change it. Getting it now? 1 minus
Yes,
x,
sir.
it can be rearranged right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So exercise 14.2, see, these questions are very simple, okay, and can be solved using the regrouping method and as well as the identities as well. All right. Yeah,
Yes,
is
sir.
Ahmed here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, see exercise 14.2 and solve some of the questions in this one. All right, I'm taking the questions, solve
So
them.
which
Yeah,
so which question?
yeah, I'm marking the questions. Question number 6. Okay, question number 5 and question number 7. Yes, Ahmed, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Remember, in the questions which are given here, you have to use the identities. In the first question, no,
Yes,
this
sir.
question will be solved
So do
using
we
the
have to also
identities.
tell the which identity we used?
Yeah, obviously, you have to mention which identity you are going to use in the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
These three identities will be used. Yes. Ahmed, am I audible to you? How are you? Ahmed is here, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hmm. Let me give you a hint. If you are facing difficulty, for example, the first one you see here, a square
So
plus,
let's solve the sixth one.
solve the sixth one. Well done. Okay, solve the remaining ones as well. The fifth
Okay,
one
sir.
and the seventh one also. So I'm giving a
Okay.
hint for Arham since he didn't join the previous class. So a square plus 8a plus 16. Now you see, Arham and Ahmed, isn't it of this form? Can we not write it like this also? A square plus 8a plus 4 square. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We
And
can write it.
further, can I? Yeah. Further, can I not write it like this? A square plus 2 times 4
Oh, A.
times a, and then plus
Yes.
4 square. Right now.
Yeah.
Yes, Ahmed, Arham, you guys see this. So is it not of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab? This a and this b. Look
Yes,
again.
sir.
Here I have expanded this. A square is written as it is. 8a is written as it is. 16 can be
Yeah.
written as 4 square. Getting it now? 8a
Yes, sir.
can be expanded further as 2 multiplied 4 multiplied a. Right? And this 4 square as it is. And you know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So
Yes,
here
sir.
in this you have a is a as it is given in the question. B
Yeah.
is 4 right now. And
Yes.
2ab here I have written is as what? 2 times
2
a
to 4
times
into 8.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just reversed it for convenience right now. So
Yes,
2ab,
sir.
getting it now. So it is actually of, you will be using the first identity to solve this question. Getting it now,
Yes, sir.
right? So it is actually a plus 4 whole square, right?
Yeah.
So this was the expanded form. This was the expanded form, and we have converted into the identity form like a plus b whole square. That is a plus 4 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Hope that is clear.
Sir, but what
Ahmed,
about 2AB?
mhm.
Yes,
What
sir.
about 2ab?
2AB.
No, you will leave it as it is. No, like this was the expanded form. A square plus 8a plus 16. This was actually the expanded form of a plus 4 whole square. See here, Ahmed, you also pay attention here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here
Yes,
it
sir.
will be a square. So a square is, that is a square. B is what? B is 4 here now.
Oh, yes, sir.
So b square you will be writing it as
There I
16
found the
here.
answers.
Very good. And 2ab, that is 2 times a times 4. That is 8a now. 2
Yes,
into
sir.
4, 8. 8 into 8. 8a. Yes, Ahmed and Arham. So you
Yes, sir.
seeing a square plus 8a plus 16, same as it is given in the question, isn't it? A square plus
Yes,
8a
sir.
plus 16. So actually the concise form of this expanded expression is a plus 4 whole square that we
Yes,
solved.
sir.
So you have to identify using the seeing the first and the last term, and also look at the plus and negative sign. For example, the sixth one, this is a negative sign here. So you will be
Yes,
using the
sir.
a minus b whole square sign. Getting it now?
Yeah.
Hope that is clear to you guys. Ahmed, what about you? You were absent in the previous class. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please be regular in the class. It will
So can I
hamper
tell
your
the
studies.
answers?
Yeah, sure. I was waiting for
Yeah.
answer. Yeah,
So,
fifth one. What is the answer?
so the fifth one is 2x minus 2 whole square.
Well done. That is correct. Okay, sixth one.
Sixth one is 11b minus 4c whole square.
11b minus 4c whole square. Very good. That is also correct. Okay, what about the seventh one?
It's L minus m whole square.
Very good. Very good, Arhan. Very good. Okay. Now, you guys, let's solve this, or would you like me to solve the questions? Did you guys got solution of any of the questions? Hmm? Arham, would you like to give it a try to question number 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Ahmed, you also give it a try. Write this one and this one in
I'm
the
sure.
form of a square and b square.
Yes, sir.
Which one, sir?
Okay. Question number
Only
5. Question
sir,
number
which one?
5. Question number 5 here, this one.
Five. Oh, okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. While they are solving the questions, Arhan, you see question number 7 of question number 2 here. Factorize this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And do tell me, did you solve the exercise 14.1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then good.
So do I have to tell the property as well as the answer with the question?
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, sir.
This one is not interesting. Like, This one is very interesting. Question number 7. In this question, I'm giving you a hint. You will be using two identities. In most of the questions, you have to use only one identity, while in some questions, you will have to use two identities. All right. Okay, solve it. And Ahmed, please आप class में regular रहें. Otherwise, you will be having problems. Okay. आपको problem होगी वैसे.
Yes. Yes, sir. I understand. Sir, what can you explain what we have to do in this? Like, we have to solve that question, sir.
Yeah, you have to question number 5. You have to solve this question. Okay.
Oh, so yes, sir, I have solved it.
I'm giving you a hint. It will be you solve using this identity a minus b whole square.
Yes, sir. 4x minus 1 square.
4x
I
minus
mean
1.
whole square.
No, that
Whole
is not
square.
correct. No. Unfortunately, that is not correct. What about you, Arham?
Some seven.
Okay. I will give you a hint. 4x square, can it not be written like this?
2 into 2x square.
Exactly 2 into 2 into x into x. So
Yeah.
2 is being repeated 2 times, x is being repeated 2 times. So it means you can take it as 2x whole square now,
Yes, sir.
right? Because 2x whole square means what?
4x
2x
square.
into 2x, that is 4x square, right? That is
Yeah.
that is what is given in the question, isn't it, Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 4x square can be written like this, 2x whole square. And how can you write, Ahmed, 4? 4 को आप
Yes,
कैसे लिख
sir.
सकते हैं? In the form of b square. Like आप 4 को 4
2
square
square.
तो
2
नहीं
square.
लिखेंगे आप. Exactly, 2 square.
2 square.
Very good. Yeah. Right now. Okay. Now, as I have already given you a hint, and you know a minus b whole square is equal to what? Ahmed, a minus b whole square is equal to what? Please do tell me.
Yes, sir.
A minus b whole square equals to what?
E.
हमने
Sir,
algebraic identities में पढ़ी थी ना? Okay, let Ahmed try for a minute and then you will be answering. हमने algebraic identities में पढ़ी थी ना, Ahmed? Yeah, you remember algebraic expressions and identities? Okay,
Yes, I do remember that chapter.
yeah. So we talked about identities also, no? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Okay, Arham, you tell me.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I got the minus 2ab plus b square.
Minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Yeah, Arhan, you got the answer?
Yes, sir, but I got it from only using one property.
No, you will have to use two properties here. Okay, we will come to that question. Let me explain this one. So guys, question number 5, you see this one. This is very simple. You have you expanded, you have written 2x square here and 2 square here. So the half work is done here. A square and b square is done here, right now?
Yeah.
आपने a square की form and b square की form यहाँ पे लिख दिया, 2x square and 2 square. Now 2ab. What about this one? So 8x को हम this minus 8x को हम minus 2ab के form में expand करेंगे, right ना? And
Yes,
आप जो a आपने assume किया है, a को आपने 2x assume किया है, b को आपने 2 assume किया है.
sir, will it be 2 into 4 into x?
Will it be 2 into 4 into x? Yeah, it will be actually 2 into 2x into 2. Look here, आपने a square की form लिख दी, that is 2x square. Yes, Ahmed. b square आपने लिख दिया, 2 square. Now minus 2ab. Now a आपको क्या मिला है? 2x मिला है. B you have got it as 2, right? So
Yeah.
minus 2 into A, that is 2x, and B, that is 2. So that gives you 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. That gives you minus 8x now, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So guys, आप इसे expand करके लिख सकते हैं minus 2 into 2x into 2, right now?
Yeah.
So
So
shall I tell
the
the answer to the seventh one?
I'm coming to your question. Okay. So here this question which was expanded, we found out this was actually the expanded form of a minus b whole square ना. ये तो actually
Yeah.
a minus b whole square की form में है ये, right
Yes,
ना?
sir.
So इससे हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? हमें a मिल गया, हमें b मिल गया. a हमें क्या मिला है? 2x मिला है. b हमें क्या मिला है अहमद? Yes, अहमद. a हमें 2x मिला. What was the b? 2.
2
So
square,
you
sir.
can write it in the form of a minus b whole square. That is 2x minus 2 whole square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is your required answer. Hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, rest you guys have to solve as assignment. Now coming to you to the question which I gave to Arhan. Arhan, it was question number 7, I
7.
guess, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look, the question is very interesting. You have to use two identities in this one. Look here.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yeah, what was the answer? First, tell me your answer.
Sir, is it x minus y square minus z square?
Okay, that one is correct. You have it's half, only the half of the answer. You have to proceed further as well. So guys, you guys also pay attention here. The question which Arhan was solving. So it's x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. That is the question here.
Sir, I got it now. I got it now.
You got it now, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will be using a square minus b square entity later on, if you got it. Now, if you guys were to look at this expression here, Arham Ahmad Arhan, x square minus 2xy plus y square, is it not of the form of a minus b whole square?
Yes, sir.
ये हमारा
हमारी
a स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में है, ये हमारा b स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में है, राइट ना? एंड ये हमारे माइनस 2ab के फॉर्म में है. ओके, a की जगह पे यहाँ पे x लिखा हुआ है, आप ऐसे अज्यूम करो यहाँ पर, b की जगह पर y. Getting it now?
Yeah.
So can we not write it like this? A minus b whole square, that is x minus y whole square. Do I need to explain it? Look here. Look here, look here. X square minus 2 into x into y plus y square. Right now, ये हमारा
Yes.
वैसी फॉर्म में तो है, a स्क्वायर है, दिस इज b स्क्वायर एंड दिस माइनस 2. a हमारा क्या है? x है, राइट? एंड b हमारा
Yes,
क्या है? y है. सो ये हमारे किस फॉर्म में? हमें पता है ये किसकी एक्सपेंशन होती है. दिस इज द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ a minus b whole
A
square.
minus B also.
Right now, so it's x minus y whole square. So there's one more term left in the expression, that is minus z square is also left here. So now
Yeah.
if you guys were to remember, there was one more identity, that is a square minus b square, and it was equal to a plus b into a minus b, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I also got the answer.
Good. So this whole term under the bracket you will be treating as a, and the next term you will be treating it as b. Got it? So it will be, is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So far it's clear. Ahmed, what about you? Like wherever you are having confusion, please stop me there.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? So far it's clear or not? Please do tell me.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Sir, it's clear right now.
Okay. So now it's x minus y. Okay. Plus z. Okay. Then multiplied x minus y minus minus z now. Getting it now?
Yeah.
So x minus y plus z
2x
Getting it?
minus 2y. Yeah.
multiplied x minus y. Okay, one more thing here. If you were to see, this is minus sign also here now.
Which one, sir?
Getting it now? This minus sign here. This one is a, that is x minus y. This one is b, that is z here. Okay, so it has to be of the form a plus b. Getting it now? So
Yeah.
if I were to further expand it, like x minus y plus minus z, we can't ignore the minus sign now. This minus sign is with this z here. Okay, getting it now?
Yeah.
So instead of this, it's not working properly. Okay, let me rewrite this. So x minus y, this is a, this is b here, right? So it's a plus b into a minus b. That means x minus y plus minus z, right? No issue in
Yes.
that one. And then multiplied a minus b. That means x minus y minus minus z. Right now, quick
Yes.
confusions?
No.
X minus y minus z. Then multiplied x minus y minus into minus, that is plus. So it's going to be a plus z. So this is the required answer. Got it now? Arhan, is it clear?
Yes, sir, I got it too.
Yes, Ahmed. So here in this question, now we use two identities, right? So this one which I wrote here, this one was solved using the identity a minus b whole square. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
This x minus y that came here, and this which we wrote here, it was using the identity a square minus b square. Hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think you guys should solve some more questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise you will be
Yes, sir.
forgetting, all the concepts will be evaporating just from your minds. Okay, which questions would you guys like to try? Choose questions yourself, pick your questions yourself. In question number 2, it's up to you guys. One question each of you.
First one.
First one,
Guy.
okay. Ahmed, you solve this one.
Sir, I
Arhan,
will do the third one.
which one?
Third one.
Third one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in the
You,
third
you
one, it's seventh.
in the third one, question number 7. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Arhan, you solve this one.
So do we have to send the answers in the chat box?
No, don't write the answer in the chat box. Just tell it to me,
Okay.
send and just say it to me.
Yes, sir. 2p plus 3q, 2p minus 3q.
Well done. That is correct here. Okay.
Thank you.
So first one which you have solved here, 4p square minus 9q square. So it can be written like this is 2p square. Then it can be written as minus 3q square. So it's of the form a square minus p square. So you
I
further
also
wrote
got
it as, got it, good. 2p minus 3q. Good. Yes.
I also
Arham, what
got
is
it.
your answer? Very
Yes,
good.
sir, it is 7 in the bracket x minus 6.
7 bracket x minus 6.
Yes, sir.
The third one.
Yeah.
No, that is not correct here.
Oh,
Look
no,
here.
no, yes, sir. Yeah. Sir, I will do once more.
Okay, try it once more. Arhan, you tell me your answer.
The y minus 4 multiplied by 5y plus 2 is z.
Please repeat the answer.
Y minus 4 multiplied by 5y plus 2z.
5y plus 2z. Okay, let's check that if it's correct or not. Y minus 4 into 5y plus 2z. Okay. Arham, while you are solving, let's discuss this one as well. Question number 7. So 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz, that is the question. Now if you were to see in this here, what is the what common thing can be found here? Isn't 5y common in both of them,
Yes, sir.
right? And in 20y also 5y is common. 5 common here, y common here, right? So you will taking 5y as common here. So if you take 5y out of 5y square, so you are left only with y here, right now. So you will write here, because 5y multiplied y gives me 5y square, right now. Okay, good. Now in this, if you were to take 5y out of 20y, you are left with what? 4y. Getting it now? Or only 4 actually, not y. What about this 8z and 2yz? 8z and 2yz, no? Yeah, that is the question.
Yes, sir.
2 into 2 into 2 into z, and here 2 into y into z. So the only thing common you will be seeing is this
2.
z here and this 2. Good. So you will be taking out common as 2z here. Getting it now? So it will be what? It will be 4, right now? And in the bracket, it will be what?
Sir, I
It will
also got
be,
My
you got the answer. It will be plus z here.
minus 4.
Here we have taken minus 2z, so it's going to be minus z. Good. Right now. Now the thing here is that you are getting common term, that is going to be, have we done some mistakes here? Is it correct?
So
5y
it's
we took it
correct.
common, y minus 4, then minus 2z into 4 minus z, right? And that's what we did here. Actually, the thing which we are problem is here, we actually have taken z 2z common here, but we have to leave y here, not z, right now. That's why I thought we have done some mistake here.
Yes, sir.
Now here you see this is y minus 4, but this is 4 minus y. Yeah. Why? Because we have taken minus 2z here. So minus 2z here, so 4 will be left here, but minus y will be left here. So what we have to do here, you will use the additive inverse. Getting it now? So you have to write y minus 4. So this sign of minus 2z will become plus 2z. As you guys already know, the additive inverse is done like this. If it is a minus b and you have to write it as b minus a, so there will be a minus sign coming outside the bracket. Getting it now? So here also a minus sign appeared before the bracket, and this minus 2z got multiplied with the minus sign, so it became plus 2z here. Is that clear, or shall I repeat this one?
So it's clear.
Ahmed, Arhan, what about you guys? Arham?
Sir,
clear.
I got my answer.
Okay, good. I'm coming to that as well. So it's 5y plus 2z multiplied y minus 4. Very good, Arhan. So that is correct. Yes, you got your answer? Yeah, what
Sir,
is the answer?
Sir, bracket 7x minus 6, bracket close, bracket open, 7x plus 6.
Well done. That is correct. Good. Now, likewise, see question number 4 also, and pick the questions as per your choice, whichever question you guys would like to solve.
Yeah.
Okay, which one? Ahmed, in question number 4.
Yes, sir. Um.
Hmm.
Second one.
Okay, second one you solved it.
Sure, sir.
Arhan,
The 5th one.
fifth one. Okay, good. Arham,
Sir, I will take the first.
first. Okay.
No, sir, I will take the eighth one.
Eighth one.
Yeah.
No, there's no question number 8 here. Which question are you picking up? We are talking about question number 4.
So in my book
This,
there is.
yes.
I was
Are the
looking for my
questions
book, sir.
different? Are the question different in your books?
No, sir.
Okay. Pick question number, pick any other question. We have limited time.
Sir, I will take 2.
Okay, question number 2. Ahmed has already taken that. Do one thing, you take the question number 1, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, solve this one.
Sir, I've solved it.
Okay, what is the answer?
P minus 3, P plus 3, P square plus 9.
P square plus 9. Right. Okay, let's see it. That's p raised to the power 4 minus 81. So you can write it like this: p square raised to the power square. Right now, it can be written like this because we have to write it in the form of a square minus b square, not a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4. That is not the identity which you guys have studied. So it's p square raised to the power square minus 9 square. Good. Now, so far it's clear. It's a square minus b square. Right now, so it's going to be p square minus 9 into p square plus 9.
Then I
Getting
got
it?
it.
Got it. Very good. Now, if you were to look close enough now, this can also be further written like this. You guys also pay attention to this question. 9 can be written like this: 3 square now. P square minus 3 square. Isn't it? Again, p square plus 3 square. Now, again, if you guys were to look here, can't we expand it further as well? हम इसे further भी तो expand up कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
A square minus b square ना? So a square, but a square plus b square, for that you don't have any identities. आपने कोई identities उसके लिए नहीं पढ़ी है भी नहीं. Right now, so a square minus b square, that means what? P plus 3 multiplied p minus 3, right now? And this will be simply आप इसे वैसे ही रहने दो. Don't write it like this. So it will be simply left at p square minus p square plus 9. Getting it now? Is this question clear to you guys or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Well done, Ahmed. Yes, sir. Arhan, you solved the question.
So it's a minus b whole square multiplied by a plus b whole square.
Okay, good. That is correct. Okay, what about you,
Sir,
Arhan? Yeah, what is the answer?
so it's a minus b, a plus b, and a square plus b square.
A square plus b square. Very good, guys. So that is correct. All right, that is correct. Would you guys like to explain the questions to me, or is it clear?
It's clear,
For
sir.
example,
It's clear.
it's clear. Okay, okay. Okay then. So your task is going to solve the remaining question of exercise 14.2. Okay. And in the next class, we will be talking about factors of the form x plus a multiplied x plus b. Also, we will be talking about division and multiplication of monomials by monomials. Okay. Polynomials by monomials. These three things we will try to cover in the next chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Arham, you tell me, will you be free in the upcoming Fridays for backup classes? Like for this Friday, I won't be available. Okay. I will be traveling in this upcoming Friday. Also,
Yes,
there's
sir.
holiday on Friday for you guys. Otherwise, I would have scheduled the backup class for you, Arham. Okay.
Yeah.
So also there's a possibility, guys, like for example, if I can't take class on Saturday, right now,
Yes, sir.
suppose there's a possibility that I won't be available to take classes on Saturday or Sunday. Getting it now? So
Yeah.
will you guys will be able to take class, attend class on Friday? Because actually I have traveled to a different state here, and actually I have, as I told, I had an appointment with the doctor right now. So I
Yes,
might
sir.
be traveling on Friday, but suppose in worst case scenario, if I have to travel on Saturday on Sunday, will you guys be available to attend classes on Friday? Because you will be
Yes,
having
sir.
holiday on Saturday or on Sunday. No.
Yes, sir. I'm
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sure, sir.
Okay. I'm not saying that you will be having classes on Friday. I was saying that suppose if possible, suppose if there's a case. Arhan, will you
Yes,
be able to?
Yes, sir, I'm fine with it.
Okay. What about you, Ahmed?
Yes, sir. I'm also fine.
You're also fine. Arham?
sir,
Yes.
just
Arham,
wait
are
a
you
bit.
there?
Yeah.
I'm just saying that if say that I you will have to, if I will have to take class on Friday, will you be able to attend the class?